Life insurance is a crucial aspect of financial planning that ensures the well-being of your loved ones in the event of your passing. It provides a safety net for your family, helping them maintain their standard of living and achieve their long-term goals. In this article, we'll explore the importance of having life insurance and how it can protect your loved one's future. Why life insurance is important. 1. Income replacement. Life insurance ensures that your family receives a steady income stream to cover living expenses, debts, and financial obligations. 2. Funeral expenses. Life insurance helps cover funeral costs, which can be a significant burden on your loved ones. 3. Debt repayment. Life insurance can be used to pay off outstanding debts, such as mortgages, car loans, and credit cards. 4. Education expenses. Life insurance can fund your children's education expenses, ensuring they achieve their academic goals. 5. Retirement savings. Life insurance can supplement retirement savings, ensuring your spouse or partner maintains their standard of living. 6. Business protection. Life insurance can protect business partners, employees, and heirs from financial loss. Types of life insurance. 1. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specified period, e.g., 10, 20, or 30 years. 2. Whole life insurance offers lifetime coverage and a cash value component. 3. Universal life insurance combines a death benefit with a savings component. 4. Variable life insurance allows policyholders to invest their cash value in various investments. Conclusion. Life insurance is a vital component of financial planning that ensures your loved one's well-being in the event of your passing. By understanding the importance of life insurance and choosing the right policy, you can provide income replacement for your family, cover funeral expenses and debts, fund education expenses and retirement savings, protect business interests,